In this room, you will find Elmwood custom cabinetry. Utilized again within here because of their array of products that they have available. And you'll notice Wayne panels on the walls, custom edged chair rails, furniture baseboard moldings, open shelving, glass shelves, applied molding doors and door styles that you're not going to find with a lot of manufacturers out there, just because of the degree of difficulty of the door styles that you see that they've made for us here. Inside this room, we used a combination of crown moldings and wood components to create this coffered ceiling. Installation such as this takes a true craftsman to pull off. This is not your typical everyday design that most people could pull off, even if they are in the cabinet industry.